Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix that multiplayers are not working in the Sons of the Forest. So I will show you the 5 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. So our first method is so simple that you have to just check your internet connection that if it is stable or not, and try to change the router of your internet connection. If you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just reset your modem, and then you have to just turn off the Wi-Fi, and after your modem is fully reboot, then you have to just restart the router of your Wi-Fi, and after this you have to just restart your game, and doing so your problem will be fixed. Moving to our second solution, you have to just open your settings, and here you have to just click on the update and the security, and now click on the Windows security in the left menu. Basically you have to just turn off or disable the firewalls and the antivirus, or any antivirus that you are using in your PC or system. You have to just disable all of them. So you have to just click on the firewall and the network protection and disable them. Similarly, you have to just disable the virus protection as well, and if you are using the any specific antivirus, then you have to disable it as well. And after doing so, you have to just relaunch your game, and this time your problem will be fixed. Moving to our next method, you have to just open your command prompt and then run it as an administrator, and now put here these specific commands one by one. So you have to just put here these commands. You can copy these commands from this screen, and make sure that you put these commands one by one on your command prompt. So after doing so, you have to just restart your PC one time, and after restarting, relaunch your game, and this problem will be fixed. Sometimes your problem that the multiplayer not working in your Sons of the Forest can be solved by using the updated version of the game. If you have an old version of your game, so you have to just update your game, and after updating your game files, your problem will be fixed. And next method is that you have to just uninstall your game files and reinstall it, and doing so hopefully your problem will be fixed. Moving to our last method, you have to just verify the integrity of your game files. You have to just open your Steam library, and then right click on your game here, and then click on the properties, and now click on the local files, and here you have to just click on the verify integrity of the game files. Doing so hopefully your problem will be fixed. For more information about this game, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video, and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.